Hello friends, finally after the strong initiative of ban on Chinese apps, Government of India banned 59 apps that originated from China. So these apps contains famous apps like TikTok, UC Browser, Cam Scanner, ShareIt. How will the ban on TikTok and other Chinese apps enforced? What will be the impact? So here it is the list of apps that are banned by the Government of India. After the ban of these 59 apps, how has India enforced the ban on Chinese apps? How will be the apps banned for users? And what will be the impact of the ban? Will be the ban permanent? How has India enforced the ban on Chinese apps? Under Section 69A of Information Technology Act 2000, the interest of sovereignty and the integrity of India, defense of India, security of the state, Government of India bans these 59 apps. The Ministry of Information and Technology has said it has received many complaints from various sources, including several reports and misuse of some mobile apps for stealing and transmitting the users data. This is the important thing, transmitting the users data. So under these causes, Government of India bans these 59 apps. How will the apps be banned for users? Internet service providers to stop access these apps with immediate effect. So users are soon likely to see a message saying access to the apps have been restricted on the request of the government. The downloads of these apps like Cam Scanner are likely to be blocked on Google Play and Apple's App Store. What will be the impact of the ban? Already said some of the apps are very popular among Indian users. Suppose for example, take TikTok app, it has more than billion active users, and other apps like Help, Like, as well as video chat app Bigo Live are also immensely popular among Indians who are not comfortable in English. These banned apps have Indian offices and employees, so most of the Indian creators are working under these offices, so they are going to be jobless. And finally, will the ban be permanent? Last year once TikTok was banned for few days, but later it came back once the court was vacated the ban. But this time this will be a different scenario. Not only TikTok, with this TikTok all the other 58 apps also banned. Maybe this will be a permanent ban in India, and also it will be a warning to larger Chinese business in India. So finally the Government of India take a good decision. Most of the Indian residents are welcomed this decision that taken by Government of India. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe.